What's up mga kuyz? So here we are again. So today's episode, we will be going to unbox a branded fishing reel. So this one is, so napakamura nito, napaka-affordable. So ang product na to is coming from Kasking company, a Brutus series to Kasking fishing reel. So today's activity is try natin yung spinning motion, basically on the smoothness of this fishing reel. So yung dragging sound nito, test din natin kung gaano ba kaganda. So bubuksan na natin to, so para matry at matest na natin. So actually na-unbox ko na to pero hindi ko pa na-try. That was 1 week ago, right after receiving from Shopee. So here it is, guys. So ngayon ko pa lang ito nabuksan kasi busy sa gawaing bahay. So, under the sayak siya ko. Here it is. Wow, ang ganda. So a combination of color red, white, and black. So gusto ko talaga ang kulay na to. So yung handle niya is made from this one is, I think, a solidified carbon or an aluminum ata. So this one is a plastic one. Then yung body niya is also a combination of a plastic and an aluminum. Then yung spool niya is also an aluminum one. And yung bail niya is a black coated stainless. So may grasa yung ilalon niya, so iwas sa corrosion. So try din ngayon natin yung spinning motion niya, kung gano'n ba ito ka-smooth. Ito na guys, wow, napaka-smooth niya guys. So ewan ko lang kung after magamit nito, after ng pag-field test, kung ganito ba ganito pa rin ba yung smoothness na fishing reel na to. So gagawan din natin to ng video sa pag-field test nito. So gagawa natin ng full review right after testing this one sa pag-fishing. So ito yung sound ng drag niya. Wow, narinig nyo guys. Wow, napakaganda. So mga kuya kuyz, this fishing reel is a recommended one. I highly recommend this fishing reel, especially sa mga baguhan pa lang, kung nagsisimula pa lang sa pag-fishing. So gumamit kayo ng fishing rod na medium light, then a combination of this one is a good one. Napakaganda, napaka-smooth. So may anti-reverse system din ito. So ito, so para iwas buhol-buhol, para hindi bumalik yung ang pag-retrieve ng isda. So you can use this one para yung anti-reverse para hindi magkabuhol-buhol yung braid line nyo. Ito na guys. So all in all, so this fishing reel is very good. So it is also a good looking one. So legit guys, legit. So para pala doon sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, so make use to pindot button, subscribe button, at saka yung like button, as well as yung notification bell para always kayong updated sa video ko. So yun lang muna guys. So see you sa next natin na video sa pag-field test ng fishing reel na to. So God bless and thank you very much. Bye.